What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Marcela's Way. As you saw from the title, today's video is going to be me packaging in order to be shipped out the way I do it. Before we get to that, make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel. Make sure you like this video and make sure you share it so someone else can benefit from this content. Also, make sure you follow me on all of my social medias, Marcela's Way on TikTok and Marcela's Way on Instagram. So let's go ahead and get to this video. So I have these 3 shirts that I will be shipping out. So basically the stuff I'm gonna need is, I have these clear poly bags with the self-sticking stuff or whatever on it. I have this washing instructions. I have some stickers for the sizes. I have some thank you stickers and my actual poly mailer. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna fold my shirt up, which they're already folded, but I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm gonna do that. Hopefully I can show you at this angle. All right, so basically I have the collar of the shirt. I'm gonna turn the 2 sides in like this. I'm gonna turn the other side in. And then basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold down the top of the shirt first, and then I'm gonna fold in the bottom 2 times, okay? And then I'm basically gonna turn, I wanna make it so you can see the middle of where the design is in the bag, because when she gets her shirt, I want her to be able to see her design as soon as she opens the bag, okay? So then it looks like this. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure that the front of my shirt, where the design is actually on the top. So when I seal it, the part that's sealed is in the back. So it looks like this. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I am going to I'm gonna flip my bag over, and then my washing instructions, I'm gonna put that in the back, and then I'm gonna flip it back over, and then I'm gonna put my thank you sticker in the front, because I want her to be able to see thank you from the top of the bag. And I'm gonna go ahead and seal this bag up. Okay, so I have this sealed, so I'm gonna go ahead and package up the other 2 now. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my size stickers and I'm gonna put that on the right size bag. So I got an extra large and 2 medium. I'm gonna put that on the top of the bag. All right, so I have those. going to go ahead and push the air out of these because I want to make sure that everything is, all of the air is out and there's no extra space that's being used in the bag unnecessarily. Okay, so now before I put everything in a poly bag, I'm going to go ahead and stick my business card, which has my business information and my channel on it. And then I'm going to take my bags that I got from Sticker Mule, and I'm going to go ahead and put in my shirts. Hopefully I can get all 3 of them in here, which I should be able to. Make some adjustments in here so everything is in there evenly. All right, and now I'm going to take my card and go ahead and slide that in. All right, and then I am going to take this little adhesive part off. Hold on. All right, so everything is in there tightly. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ruler and measure it and weigh it. So this is my scale that I have here, and I can either use this ruler that I have, or I can use just my sewing pad here. So this would be 13 by 10, okay? 13 by 10. And then the weight is, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on basically here. So I got this from Amazon, by the way. It's battery operated. So I'm going to sit this down, and then it is 1.5 pounds. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in, and then I'm going to go ahead and print out my shipping label, okay? Okay, I also have this double-sided shipping label paper. You can actually see that it's 2-sided. So basically I will print the label on one half. It's self-adhesive on the back, so it'll stick right to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick my shipping paper in, plug up my computer. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and print. Stick that on the back side of my package. Okay, so my package is ready to go. I did not let you guys know that the shipping company that I use, or the shipping website that I use, is Pirate Ship. I use Sticker Mule, and I use Amazon for my poly bags. I made my own stickers. For now, I have some new stickers coming in from Sticker Mule, and I also use I also made my own business cards, which are metal business cards, and then the size labels I got from Amazon. So yes, that's that. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I hope it gave you some idea on a good way to package your bags. I will have another video that I will show you how to save money on your poly bags and stickers through Sticker Mule. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys soon.